Hello, everybody. So today we go for the personal loan and the simple interest. The interest fee for the use of the money. So the simple interest that include interest earned only that end specific time periods and earn amount of deposit. So the simple interest we have I equal P R T. So P right here I can say this one is the principal, and R right here. I call this one the interest rate, interest rate. Okay, and this one, and then is T. This one is time. So the note, time for interest rates are the sum units rates. So the most common type of the simple interest called ordinary interest for compound ordinary interest for each month has 30 days and a year has 12 months or 360 days. On the due date, the simple interest note borrower must repay the principal plus the interest. So number one, by the interest rate, the simple interest, the rate amount rate, assume 360 days for a year. So we have a I equal, so this one a P, so 310, and then we have so 4%, that's 0.04, and then for 2 years. So let me write out really careful for this one. It's 4. So this one 2 years. So this one should be equal 2480. So for B, P is 2500, R is 6.5%, T is 90 days. So we have I equal 2500 times 0.065 and 90 days. So remember when we have a 90 days, we have to divide for 360. So this one is $40.63. So this, and then for P again. So this one right here. So R equal 3.875%. So we have the I equal 1500 time for 0.03875, and we have 9 months. 9 divided by 12, so we have 20. So we have no, we have 43.59. Okay, and then now we have a D. So we do the same thing. I equal 587 time for 0.00045, and we have 2 months or 60 days. So this one we got 15. So we have 1585. And example number 2. Kevin borrowed 2200 from the grandparents. He received a collect the service, the eye surgery. His grandpa give him 18 months, repay the loan, and with the annual simple interest for 7.5%, the cover loss and half that the money interest interest and the investment. So this one is the P, and for the annual, and this one is the R equals 0.075, and this one for T, so T equal 18 over 12. So we have I equal 2200 times 0.075 and 18 over 12. So this one, after we calculate, and we get is 247.50. So for the 18 months, so 2200, and we get 247.50. 50. Okay, for 50. So we got 50.7442. So they got this amount of money. And we have this one again. And for this example, John borrowed 240 after 1 month. He repay for original 240 plus 48 interest. What is the annual rate? So the annual rate, so we have I equal PRT. So this one is R equal I over PT. So we have we have a P right here, and this one's 1 month. So this one, the T equal 1 over 12. This one is the R. So this one is this one is the I, and we're looking for the R. So we have I is 48 over P is 240, and the time is 112. So this one we have as 2.4 and time 100. So this one is 240%, 240%. So there is another type of the loan discount note for which the interest is paid at the time borrower received the loan. The interest charge event called the bank discount. So example number 4, Matt took 500 loan for 10% discount note period for 3 months. Determine the interest he must pay to the bank on the day he received the loan. So so this one is the same thing. I equal so 500 and 10%. So time 0.10, and this one for 3 months, right? So 12. So this one is $12.50, and original amount. So we have 500 minus 12.50. So we have so 487.50. And now the actual rate interest loan for years. So we use I equal P interest charge and P amount that received. So we have the same thing. We have the same thing. I equal P R T. So I equal 487.50 and R and 3 over 12. So we got 12.50 equal 487.50 and R and 312. So therefore we have 50 equal 4 87.50 R. So therefore R equal 0.1026. So multiplied by 100. So this one we had 10.26%. So 10.26%. And then number 5, example number 5, children Chansons borrow 36.50 from the bank for 8 months, and the bank discount loan at 7.5%. So right now, the P, so this one at 36.50, and the time, so 8 months, 8 out of 12, and the R is 0.075. So we got I equal 3650 times 0.075 and 8 over 12. So after we calculate everything, and we have is 182.50. And then now how much this he received from the bank. So how much this he received from the bank. So this one is 360.50 minus 18, 182.50. So he received from the bank is 3,000 or 34.67.50. And was for C was what was the actual rate interest for she paid? So we have I equal PRT. So R equal I over PT. So I is 182.50 over P is 36.50, and T is 8 over 12. So 8 over 12. So this one should be as 0.0789, and that's one time for 100. So we got 7.89% for interest rate. So 7.8% interest rate. So that's all for this chapter, and thank you very much.